How do I know if it's filming or not?
If you push that little button down, you push the button on the far right where your finger is, and it should be on.
I did, but I don't see no light or nothing.
Well, it's on.
I think maybe you better stop and check it. Make sure it is a filming.
Get up. Right over here where you first get to the bird. There you go. There you go. Now you got it. It looks like you did a birdie's on the ski.
See what the... Say, throw some over here for the little ones.
Wait a minute, y'all. That was for the babies. That was for the babies. Y'all give them some. Mercy. Here, Hi, they don't want to let the babies get anything this morning, do they? Come on back over here. Oh, no, what was that? What happened? I probably won't take care of this. Oh, baby, come right up on my touch. You honey. Oh, you got too crazy. That's getting all hysterical. Something scared him. They're so sweet. You hungry. Time for some more? You want some more? Mama wants to film ya. I'm getting so excited about them. She can eat fast, can't she? Yep. So we sure can put down some bread. I have to break it up so now. You can do it. You can do it. And it's Sunday morning feeding time. here at MBSC. They wiped that out in no time. Mostly, y'all can put down some bread, I'll tell you what. See if we can get you another piece out here. There's a big old piece. I'm going to scare them off first. Yeah, and it's got to be on a little piece of steak there. Oh, there's some in the morning inside. Oh, the circle. Look at them. Oh, they share so pleasantly, don't they? Gather around the family circle and get your chick of bread. Oh, they're so cute. Hey, y'all birdies are so pretty. Pretty, pretty birdies. Oh, they finished. Here comes a little, there's one little white one. One little white one amongst them all. Okay, guys, one more piece. One more piece of bread. How shall we do this? 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 I say. That one little pretty white one. You guys can fight over that up there. Okay. Straddled. One little white one. Pretty little white one. Gray one. Pretty color on the neck. Look at that baby. They come right up here. How sweet. How sweet you are. Don't let me scare you now. Couple more pieces up by my feet. Who's gonna get them? Who's going to get them? I see 3 more pieces of bread. Who's going to get them? Somebody will. Somebody's going to come get that bread. Who will it be? Go ahead. You know Mommy's not going to hurt you. Go ahead. Be brave. Just get the bread. You can do it. Little hearts on their beak. Little white hearts on their beak. Hello there, little one. There's a pal standing out there. He lays a watcher. Watcher. Alright, bread's waiting. You can do it. I knew you could do it. You can do it. Look at you. Alright. I got a piece behind my heel too. I know they're not going to go behind my heel. There you go. Uh-oh. Let's get it. Here we go. They are too cute. Hey, pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. That about all of it? Looks like it's about all of it. That's the crumbs. Go flying. Very timid. Timid little creatures. That one there will stand up straight and its stuff. Where is he? I don't know if you can see him or not. What are you doing there? Whoa! Whatever it was, it scared him.